Hello, my name is Tassio, and today we're gonna do whiteboarding with KNN. Um, so here we have our data set, which is study hours. So how many hours the student studied, attendance in the classes, and past exam. You see that one it's for study hours is pretty self-explanatory. How many hours the students studied. Attendance, one is for true, zero is for false, and so is for pass exam. Um, Now, what is KNN? KNN stands for K nearest neighbor. Is a supervised learning algorithm used for classification. It works by defining the K closest data points or neighbors to a new input and then classifying the new input based on the majority class of those neighbors. It's a lot of words, but it's very simple, very fun way to understand or to predict something. Um, Now we have a new student, so we're gonna work in this new data set, this new information actually. So the new student studied for 7 hours, and his attendance was 1, which is true, or he attended. Okay, this is very important. Let's just remember this information here. Okay, so our task is to predict whether the student will pass or fail using KNN. So this is the new student. Let me just do this. So we can new student. Good. Okay. Now let's try to predict if he studied 7 hours and attended the classes, if he will gonna pass or not. So what we can do here is try to do a graph, a 2D graph, right? So let's say this is y, and this is oops, and this is x. Okay, now the x-axis is study hours and the y-axis is attendance. Good. So the attendance is either 1 or 0, and the study hours, let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try to make it a little bigger here. Okay, looking good. Let's change the color here. Good. Okay, so now let's mark some points. For example, 2 and 1. Let's see, 2 and 1. I'm gonna make red because I said it says that it didn't pass, right? So we can know 4 and 1. So these guys didn't pass, right? Okay. Now, if we take the third option in our data set, 6 and 0, he actually passed, so I'm gonna put let's pretend this is a check mark, okay? And 8 and 1 right here, okay, 8 and 1. And then 10 and 10 and 0, so it's right here. Okay, good. Now let's do our new student. I'm gonna use the color, let's see, orange, okay? So it's 7 1, right? Remember 7 1. So let's put 7 and 1 right here. I'm gonna make just a round. Okay. Now, what we need to understand here is where who are our neighbors. So we need to draw to try to find our neighbors. So let's look at which student is closest to the new one. We're trying to use something called Euclidean distance. That just means this a straight line distance between 2 points of a graph. So if we take a look like from here, let me use this one a little bit, yeah. So you see that this is close, something like this, right? And we can do like this. Oops, nope. We can do, oh, oh wait, oh no, yeah. We can do here, and we can do this, yeah. So what we're using here, why I apply KNN with k equals 3, so 3 neighbors. So as you can see, we can see that the closest one, 2 passes, 2 students passed and 1 not. So 2 passes, 1 failed. So because most of the nearby students pass, which is 2, we can predict that the new student will also pass the exam, right? So this is very interesting way of understanding this concept. And well, I think it's this, and this was my whiteboarding. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I see you in the